Hey guys, do you want to go from this to that? Stay tuned and see how we achieve this beautiful bouncy curl wash and go look. All right guys, welcome back to Fun with Jannah, and today we have a hair video for you guys. Yay! And today in this video guys, I will be doing a quick wash and go style on Jannah. I'm not going to take you through the hair washing part of it since that was our first video. So right now we're just going to go ahead and wash her hair, then we'll be back. All right, Jannah, you ready?
No! Yes! No one yes. No one yes. No one yes. My heart then press the button.
All right guys, so we are back, and here I am starting with a little spritz of water. Jannah's hair had dried up a little bit since washing it, so we're going in with a little bit more water. And the product that we'll be using in Jannah's hair is the Mixed Chicks Kids leave-in conditioner. This will be the only product that I'm using in her hair for the most part. But you can use any of your favorite leave-in conditioners. This was our first time giving it a try. And if we keep watching it, you can see the results of this leave-in conditioner. So what I recommend starting off with the wash and goes is to usually part, especially if you're working with a lot of hair, part it in sections. Here I'm just going in with the Denman brush just a little bit. I've already detangled it when I was doing the wash and go. I'm sorry, when I was doing the conditioning process. The washing and the conditioning process, I've already detangled it. So right now we're just smoothing out her curls, her hair with the Denman brush, which is one of my favorite tools to use when it comes to achieving nice bouncy curls. So then once that's done, I'm going in with my fingers and I'm just going to separate each curl with my fingers, called finger combing. And I'm doing that in small sections. It's best to work in small sections, just to ensure that you're coating the entire section of hair with your leave-in conditioner. So just slowly go in and finger comb each section. And then you can see here how those curls came out. Look at those bouncy curls. They're beautiful, they're soft, moisturized. So we're just going to repeat that step. So we're going to spritz it with a little water, add the leave-in conditioner, use a Denman brush if you need to, but mostly use your fingers to finger comb through the sections of hair, taking your time, working from the ends all the way up to the top, just being sure to coat each strand in the leave-in conditioner. And it's also important to make sure that the hair is damp. I usually, when I'm doing my hair, I like my hair to be soaked and wet in water before I apply the leave-in conditioner. But Jannah's hair is a little bit softer than mine. I don't need to soak her hair, but it is best to make sure that it is damp to some degree before going in with the leave-in conditioner. So we're going to do that throughout the entire process, and then stay tuned for the results at the end. Alright, so here's a close-up of the curls when they're still wet.
Come on, you can do it. I can do it.
They're nice and hydrated, moisturized. You see that curl in there, guys?
See, guys, you like my curls, but I don't have curls. See these boingy things?
Yeah, those are curls.
Curls, guys, these are not curls, right? No, they're not curls. Guys said they're not curls.
Alright guys, so we are back and I let Jannah's hair air dry just a little bit before I realized it was just going to take forever. That's usually like an all-day thing. So I went and took the diffuser to get it a little bit. And here are her beautiful curls, guys. They're nice and light. Nice and light, very soft. So the product was very light. It's not weighing her hair down at all. And I love how the curls came out. Look at that. We did not put any gel in her hair.
Okay.
Jannah? All right, say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Fun with Jannah, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Peace.
My heart.